Winter storms are dangerous because they create a higher risk of accidents, hypothermia, frostbite, carbon monoxide poisoning, and even heart attacks from overexertion. The ark was a type of Christ. God told Noah to build an ark to save him and his family from the storm that God was going to send on the earth to destroy all life. So no matter what storms we face in life, whether they are natural storms, physical storms, financial storms, or even spiritual storms, let us run to Jesus Christ because he is our strength, our shield, and our refuge. May the Lord protect you during your storms of life. Be safe, everyone.